What's going on, crew? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a Poppo Live mod. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, guys, I can turn on unlimited coins and points. So let me just press unlock and it should start adding them. So let's see what happens, guys. Are we going to get rich? All right, so it's working. All right, we'll just give it a second to load and we should be all set. So let's see what happens, and it's loading right now. All right, it says coins and points were added. I don't see any, but hopefully it goes up. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to the browser and just type tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, you just want to go to the search bar, type in Poppo Live, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So you need to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official app store. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. We should be all good to go. So let's just see what happens. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let's just see. Alright, so it's loading right now, so I'm just going to wait for it to load. Should be all good to go. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just need to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game. So I could do that. TikTok's down to run for 30 seconds, you know. Lucky Match, you got to reach level 11. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You should be all good to go. Unlimited coins on the Poppo Live, guys. So definitely try it out, and I'll see you guys in another video. This is super insane, guys. Totally works. So if this video does work for you guys, be sure to tell your friends about it.